Mid-Ohio Remediation provides a deep cleaning, sanitizing service for Ohio homeowners and businesses. Are you interested in a deep clean for COVID-19? We provide a coronavirus, COVID-19, cleaning protocol for residential and commercial properties that follows the recommended guidelines. Our trained technicians provide touch-point cleaning of all surfaces, using EPA-registered disinfectants. We fog mist the rooms with an EPA-registered botanical disinfectant, following the deep cleaning and sanitization. Mid-Ohio Remediation has no control over the spread of COVID-19 virus. But all efforts are made in order to clean impacted surfaces as thoroughly as possible. At Mid-Ohio Remediation, we're here to help. Call us today at 1-877-377-1274 for a quote or for service.